Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open the settings, then we have to scroll down and find additional settings option, and right here we have to choose one-handed mode. Now we have to just turn on one-handed mode by clicking this button, and now look, turn on one-handed mode by swiping the full screen indicator. This feature won't work if the indicator is hidden, so all you have to do is just swipe like this. And now to exit, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, like this. And that's how you can enable one-handed mode. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!